Hello everybody, I'm Ulrich with UFixItAuto and I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be replacing my fog light bulbs on my 98 Celica. Now full disclosure, this is a 98. Even though the bumper is a little bit different, this was in a front end collision, so I ordered an entire JDM kit which included the hood, the bumper, the fenders, everything, so that way I can make this car look complete again. That's why you can see that normally here in America, these lights over here are normally located a little bit further up in the fender. The process to take off the fog lights are going to be different for most model years, whether it's made in America or Japan, or what year it's going to be made, whether it's from 94 all the way up to 99. But the most important part is going to be replacing the light bulb that's in it. And this is actually a very simple job. All it requires is a Phillips head screwdriver in order to replace both. I already did the driver's side just to make sure I get it 100% correct, and I'll show you exactly how I'm going to do it on the passenger side. So to remove the fog light, there is one Phillips head screw that is located right there. And we just grab a Phillips head screwdriver and pop that out. There we go, which allows this entire fog lamp to come out. And with the assembly out, all we have to do is push down on this small tab over here, which should remove the harness. Oop, there we go. And now all we have to do is turn this counterclockwise and pull out this portion right here. And then there are two Phillips head screws that are located right in there, which, by the way, the position of these make it very awkward to put in. And then this assembly can come out. You do have to play around with it a little bit for it to pop out. It does help to get one side up that had the screw in first, and then rotate it, and then get the other side out through these little slots that are located here. So if you can do that, then this will come out easy. But from here, there is this retaining clip that keeps the light bulb in place, and it's hooked on here. So all I gotta do is pop this out of there. This entire retaining clip should come out, and so should the light bulb. And then over here, we just have to push on this tab over here with a flathead or something, and then this thing should just pop up. Oh, or you could just tug on it. The other one I had to kind of pry. And then this just pulls out, just like that. And here is the new LED bulb. Let's pop this out. Boom. There we go. Look how nice that looks. And LED technology has just come so far along, and it's just so much better than incandescent in my opinion. I went with the white LEDs. I'll be sure to have these linked down in the description below. All you have to do is there's these little two rounded edges over here, and then you'll see that there are two slots on either side. Just make sure that goes in. Okay. Hook this part over and get it to stay in place just like that. Then we pull down on this sleeve because we're not really going to need it, and then just place it in just like that. Pop this back down. Fight with this a little bit in order to get it to go back down. So I'm going to start by forcing one side in. There we go. Easy. Get both of these screws in. One of the screws is kind of awful to get to, so you would just have to make sure that it goes in straight. And once it gets started, then it's easy to go all the way in, but you may have to play with it just a little bit. There we go, both screws are in, and so all we gotta do is pop this cover back on, and now this assembly is ready to go back in. That's all there really is to it. So right underneath the bumper, as you can see, there are two slots over here, which is where those two go into. And so you just have to make sure that goes in, and then put the screw back into place, and then obviously make sure to hook up the wiring harness right back in until it clicks, and then we could put it in. There we go. And now both fog light assemblies are in, and then the new bulb is in, so all we gotta do is just test it out and see how it works. And there you have it, folks. Very easy upgrade, and now everything is matching white lights. It's a lot brighter, and it should last quite a bit longer than the old incandescent bulbs. So that really is all there is to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel to help the channel grow, and let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.